Today I have a very cool and very tricky lock for you guys. Is this ABUS Titalium? Titalium? Yeah, I don't know. It's model number, oh shiny, 98 Ti/70 ABUS. And also on this side there's some markings 2NXN. I know what that means. Some drill protection. It's a dimple lock. On this side also there is this ABUS D58292 better. It's a very cool one. It's a dimple lock, as I said. Here's the key. It's the EC ABUS EC keyway. You can see on this side there are the pins. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is key control. There are 4 key control passive ones. On this side some numbers, something. But let me show you. The lock is working very nice shutter lock. Nice, very nice sound. And I think this is probably shimmable. I did not test that, but I was focused on how you can pick. But it's a very strong spring, so there is that spring loaded part. Maybe you can put a shim, but it's a very strong one, so I'm not sure if it's going to be shimmable or not. Sorry for the loud sound. But the tricky part with this one is you need to tension it like this, so clockwise, and also the pins are on the right side, so you need to push them down. So it's like, for me at least, it's very tricky, because usually I would like to push the pins, so tension the lock clockwise, but push the pin counterclockwise, and that's fine. But in this case it's very hard because of that wording here on the right side. So I'm going to tension to pick it from the left side, push the pins down, so something like this. And because there are a lot of security pins in this lock, probably some spools, a lot of spools, for some reason it's very hard. At least it's very hard for me. Not impossible, but very hard. So that's why I'll need to use the vise, and I will use, as I showed you, this tension tool. This is a stun like flat hook, not hook, I don't know how it's called, and this tension tool, because it's easy to move it here and then tension it like this. So I mean, let's start. Let me try to pick it. We'll see how it goes, and then I'll try to explain what I'm doing. So let's start as usual. I will start, not as usual, I will start from the left side. Not usual, that's unusual. Usually I start from the right side, but the usual part is that I'm going through the pins and trying to find the binding pin. So probably it was 4 or 5, so nothing there, and then here it's 2, and we're immediately in deep falset. And now it's starting that crazy part, trying to find a binding and then just pushing it slowly. I think it's pin number 3, and then when I think it's there, then I'm just rotating or putting it back, the tensioning, because of that spool and very strange counter rotation. I don't know if that makes sense. 2, no, 1, 2, no, 3, no, 4. Now I think 5 it's binding, so 5 counter rotation. Just slow. Oh, I drop a lot of things, but I think 5 it's set. So let's see what I dropped. So I dropped 2 and I dropped 3. So let me try to 3. Okay, 3 set, now 2. Yeah, 2 is the tricky one. So slowly, I don't know if I set 2, but now I think 6, the last pin. I don't know if it's a last pin that I need to pick. Pick positioning, it's also crucial. And being patient is also, I drop a lot of pins. But I think I set 6 or maybe not. No. Now I'm back in that full set. So everything is back now. So let's see 2 again. And here we go, back and forth. I don't know if I set 2, but I definitely drop 4. So what is 6 or 5? No, that was 5. 6 feels fine. 5, 4, 3, 2. That was 1. And here we go again with 2. I immediately drop multiple pins. Now we're on 5. I don't know. I want to go back. Okay, now we're back in that big full set again. So 1, nothing, 2. Okay, the crazy 2. Let's leave it alone. Let's go to 3. 3 slowly. I think we set 3. 4 set 5. Now I think I'm on 6. We drop a lot of pins, but I'm not sure if I set pin 6. I don't think so. That was 1 or 2. 3 is back again. I don't know how many times do I need to do this. Now on 6. Maybe this pick is too big. I think I set 6. I'm back in that full set, but let's see. This is 3 again, I think. Yeah, I dropped something that I should not drop. Now I'm back in that full set. Okay, I think I set 3. Now I'm on 2. 2 is usually the complicated one. I think I got stuck with my pick. This is even worse. Okay, we're back to square one. I don't know where we are, but definitely pin 2, it's, I think I set pin 2 now. Now pin 3. Let's go. No, this is, yeah. I think it's, no, don't drop. I think I set, now it's pin 6. So before I go to pin, I stuck. my pin got stuck. So I want to also check. I think everything else is... Oh, I'm pin 5. Wait, what? Yeah, I think I said pin 5, but now I'm back to pin 2. No way. Oh, yes. Pin 2 and we're open. Wow, that's the thing that I was talking about. Back and forth, trying to figure out a lot of, like, removing the tension, a lot of pins pop back out. But after, I don't know how many, 10 minutes, 8 minutes, we are open. To me picking, thank you very much for sending this to me. It was a bit of a struggle for me, but it's a very cool lock, very nice ABUS Titalium. I don't know. The model number is, let me show it again, focus, 98 Ti/70 picked. I cannot got it. I don't want to drill it. There are definitely spools inside, and not only one, probably 4 to 5 spools inside. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.